It's time for Dick's Gadget Warehouse, but we're not going to the warehouse. This gadget belongs in the warehouse because it's 21 years old, but it's too nice. What is it? I'll give you a hint. Something to do with a train. It's the Lionel Chessie Special Steam Locomotive, the 484, in a showcase, and it runs. What? It's in a showcase and it runs? I'll show you. It's suspended over the track. Special motors run the wheels, and let's go for a ride. I'm going to take the top off so you can really hear this. Isn't that pretty nifty? It has electronic whistle, the sound of steam, puffing smoke, transformer. Now the transformer is optional. Actually, Dennis is going to come around the back and show you the transformer. So you have your bell, you have your whistle, and you have your, and notice when it stops, smoke still coming out of the smokestack. Now you still can find a locomotive and tender on eBay from time to time for about $500. But 21 years ago, when this thing was a set with the display case, it was about $2,000. So I'm going to hop on here and I'm riding out of here.